Hello friends, welcome to Quick Tips. We are back with our tech news. The launch date of Vivo V9 Pro has been confirmed. Recently, Amazon confirmed the launch date of Vivo V9 Pro in its website and Amazon shopping app. So let me show you. Uh, if you go into your Amazon app, yeah, here it is. Okay, from the Amazon site, we can confirm the following specs of the phone. The phone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 AIE processor. It will be a 15.51 centimeter, that is approximately 6.3 inch. It will have full view display 2.0. The phone will have 6 GB of RAM for faster multitasking. Regarding the price, we may expect it to be around 26K. So that's the news we have got from the Amazon website. Thanks for watching out this video and have a wonderful day ahead.